My baby. All right, so I forgot to bring my microphone, so forgive me if you hear these cars driving by. But basically, I'm on the way to pick up the Turo car. So if y'all remember back in the day, I repaired and rebuild a Jeep Cherokee. So I'm actually got it out on Turo. I got it on the platform, and right now I'm on the way to pick it up. So it's actually late. It's like an hour, maybe like an hour and a half late. It was supposed to be due an hour and a half ago. So basically what you do in a situation like that, you just go into the app and you go into the settings, the trip settings, and you go ahead and press late vehicle not returned. It gonna ask you a few questions, you fill it out, and then you just submit it to Turo. Now, as far as when the car get back, I'm gonna walk y'all through the checkout process and everything, just to see what's going on with the car after they return the car as a late return. So once we get there, I think I still got like a minute walk. Once we get there, I'm gonna show you what it looked like and what to do. Guys, so we made it to the car. I actually pulled over to the car wash so we could check it out together. Basically, this is what it is. So basically, this cap right here is off, which is annoying, bro, because it's like, bro, what are you doing, bro? You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, bro. That just make it look tacky to me. But anyways, that's off. Everything else on the outside looks good. That was already off. I got to get that fixed. But everything else looks pretty much good. It's just dirty as of right now. So we just go do a quick walk around. And most definitely need to get a good car wash right now. But remember, this thing had to get rebuilt, and I think we did a very good job. So yeah, overall, I'm just walking slow. It looks pretty good. So it's just that part in the back was kind of annoying. Then we checked the interior. It's just super dirty in here. I don't know what they was doing. They put the key in here. It's just like super dirty, bro. It was raining last night. They left the sunroof open, bro. It's water stains everywhere, bro. It's like what's going on, chap? You know what I'm saying? Like, look, it's water in there. That's how you know the sunroof, and then it's wet to the touch, bro. Like, that's the mileage right now. I remember I got it maybe like at 104, and it's been listed on the platform since like 104, so it got some good miles on it. Open it up, the back and everything. There's even a little bit of water in there, so most definitely it probably was traveling from there all the way straight down the sunroof. So same thing here. Most definitely was smoking. It ain't really that big of a deal, but this is some of the stuff you just deal with when renting your car out on Turo. They were just taking it and having a good time, bro. They was smoking, they was drinking, enjoying themselves, and more than likely they was fried. They left the sunroof open and it rained. I'm talking about it rained pretty hard last night, and all the water got in the car, you know what I'm saying? So we just pray that nothing is messed up besides the headliner. That's no big deal to me, really. We can get that clean. Long as nothing major is wrong with the car. So as of right now, I'm about to show you how to do the check-in. So basically, all you got to do is go ahead, get your phone, and go ahead and snap the pictures and everything. And of course, we're going to be making a claim because it is damage to the vehicle as far as the water, and it's also you could tell they've been smoking. So we got evidence of smoking, so we go hit that also. And the damage at the back, missing the cap, so we need that replaced as well, because to me it just make the car look tacky. So we go hopping into the Turo app, we do the checkout, and now we just got to start taking pictures of everything. So basically, we go close the door, we go come around and start snapping the pictures, and I'll get back to you once I'm done. All right, so after you do the checkout, you want to go ahead and just report damage. And then you see you can get started, and then push I agree, and then you got to do which one. I want to say physical damage. All right, collision, I don't know. Before photo. This is why it's very important to take very good detail pictures of your car, so they can see what's really going on once you do a claim. You can take these. Take these. That's the before pictures. The after pictures. All right, and sometimes too, you could just message them to see if they willing to do it besides you making a claim. So I just went in and sent a message right there. Now I'm about to do the smoke violation as well too, because they most definitely was blowing that loud in here. So now it's the same thing. You just go to report issues and then you do smoking violation. And then press report issue and you're good to go. All right, so now with that being said, we did all what we supposed to do for the app and the issue that we have with the car. So hopefully he texts me back and he just want to pay and just resolve it between us instead of me going through Turo. But right now what I'm about to do is go ahead and take it and get it vacuumed out and get it cleaned up real good, because we do have another trip in about an hour. So this car needs to be ready to go right back out in another hour. There you go. It needs to be right back on the road for another hour because we have somebody else coming to pick it up. So we most definitely got to clean it. We got the detail done, the quick little detail for the inside. So I still got to shoot it with the car wash on the outside real quick. I got the sunroof to close. The trim needed to be pushed back on it where the weather strip. So I did that real quick. So now we actually about to go and do a quick run real quick. We probably got like an hour, exactly 1 hour until the next person picks up this trip. So it cleaned up good. I got it smelling good. It's way better. I did end up putting some windshield wiper fluid in there because it was a little bit low. So now that that's done, I'm about to make a quick little trip to see the Charger real quick. The dude just hit me up and he wanted me to come check it out just to look at it. And I think he was ordering a bracket for the headlight so we could put that on there. I don't know if he got it yet, but we just about to make a quick stop to check out the Charger. Then we should be able to shoot back this way to drop off the car right in time for the next Turo guest to pick it up. And then after that, well, you will see. So right now we just driving. Come on, man, like what's going on? Right now we just driving and we'll get there in maybe like a few minutes and I'm gonna show you. And we gonna check out the Charger, man, because I know y'all missed it. The last video we just finished it up, and overall I think it came out very, very good compared to, you know, how it was when we got it. So the new owner, he's enjoying the car, man. He's loving it. You see how he sped off in the last video, and he been loving it ever since. You know what I'm saying? He been driving that thing. He called me, actually was like, yo man, I'm getting a lot of, you know, people talking and asking me about this car, man. I'm telling them about you because you did a heck of a job with this car. It runs good, it looks good, everybody likes it. So, you know, I might be getting some more, you know, clientele. You never know. So we're about to pull up on the Charger, check it out, and then we gonna go from there. So we made it, y'all. Forgive me, they doing like a city test on an alarm or whatever, but here it is right here. So basically you see the bracket right here. We got to order so we can lift it up, but everything else on this boy looked good. You remember this whole side was done for. It was over with. Look at it, bro. Look like nothing ever happened, bro. Look how clean this looks now, bro. So you can hear me now. The alarm just went off, but look, got the wing on there, the freshly painted trunk lid we did. Come on, boy. I'm gonna clean that when he bring it back to. He really didn't care, bro. He was just ready to hop in and drive, you know what I'm saying? And when he bring it back, we gonna do the last 2 touch-ups. But here it is right here, man. Let me know what y'all think, bro. I really can't wait till that bracket come in because that'd be annoying me, but he cool with it, so we just go rock with it right here. You see, you got the sunroof up there, you know what I'm saying? But while I'm showing you that, let me show you the inside of this because I didn't show you the inside. But as you can see, I cleaned it up pretty good. You know what I'm saying? I cleaned it up very, very, very good. And now we're about to go ahead and low-key get ready to drop this bad boy off. I'm trying to get a good angle, bro. So much sunlight out here. But I'm about to go ahead and drop this thing off in a minute. I already messaged the next customer. So basically, I like to message them, like say, hey, what's up? Thanks for, you know, renting the car. It'll be ready for you at your scheduled pickup time, X, Y, and Z. I'll give them directions if we're doing like a DTW pickup, or if they need help finding a car, I give them directions. Usually I like to meet the people, because sometimes, you know, you get people who just trying to pull a fast one. They don't have a license and everything, and they just hoping that you're doing everything from, you know, pretty much remote. So basically I stopped doing that for right now. I like to meet people, look at their ID, look at their face, because it'd be a lot going on. So basically, if you doing Turo, you should most definitely meet people, unless you got a way better system in place to where you don't have to be there, but you can still verify that it's a real person and it's the actual person who's renting the car. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, we just checked out the Charger. I'm about to chop it up with him for a little while. It's actually a lot of cars out here on the road today. I'll be forgetting that it's the weekend, like the days just be going, bro. I'll be hustling, but it's actually Saturday right now, and a lot of people got their cars out. I passed, you know what I'm saying, a few groups of people, Mustang groups, and another motorcycle just rolled past. It's making me miss my car, man. I really gotta take some time to, you know, get my car together and my bike together so I can enjoy the summer myself instead of working all the time. But I'm on a mission right now, bro, so I could take a little sacrifice. That's nothing. So with that being said, I'm about to chop it up with him for a minute, my bro, and then I'm gonna pick the camera up. We most definitely gotta clean the outside real quick, and then we should be able to drop it off to the customer.
24 hours in a day, what the fuck you gonna say? Pick a lane, man, you gotta choose one. It's what they used to tell me.
All right, you guys, so hopefully you can hear me. I got the AC on, but while I was chopping it up with him, I low-key was able to spray the car down, so that worked out. You know what I'm saying? The win-win, do two things at once. So now I'm low-key rushing back to the pickup and drop-off location of the car. Come on, big baby. Of the car, so the next person can get the car for today. So I believe they have this car, they're keeping it all the way to the 2nd. So that's like a Tuesday. So what's today? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Keeping it for 4 days. So that's cool. That's cool with me. They go bring it back Tuesday, I believe around the same time. So let's just say Tuesday at 1:30. So that's good with me. I believe this trip I'm gonna make probably like, I don't know, 200 or something bucks or whatever. So that's not bad. My whole objective with this is to make as much, you know what I'm saying, as possible each month, but also keep the car going. So sometimes with the Turo thing, you know, you just got to go in there and play with the prices a little bit just to be competitive with other people, but also just to keep the car on the road. It's better to have the car on the road than just have it sitting, you know what I'm saying, because you stuck on the price in your head of what you feel like you should get. So with that being said, that's what I did here. And Tuesday is like right before the holiday, which will be 4th of July. So hopefully somebody pick this thing up for the 4th of July weekend as well. And then, you know, the game will keep going, baby. The grind don't stop. So I just dropped the car off and walking back, and I'm most definitely done for the day with the car anyways for Turo. We're not gonna see that thing again until Tuesday, but it's all good. We're making our money. And she was actually a very cool person. We talked about a lot of stuff. She's actually looking for a car, and she actually looking for a Grand Cherokee. So, well, her granddaughter is looking for a Grand Cherokee. She want another car. So I might be able to help them in the near future. We never know. But with that being said, I'm about to head to the shop and start working on a new project we got. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. If you're new to the channel, you already know my name is your boy K. You know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all how to rebuild cars. I'll take y'all along the process with me of rebuilding cars and also doing Turo. Just doing everything I can do to make that money, man. So I'm gonna see you next episode.